In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify store to YouTube. We'll walk through this inside your Shopify admin, and by the end, you'll have the official Google and YouTube app installed so you can start showcasing products on your channel. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store with permission to install apps and have your YouTube channel details handy for the setup that follows. Start on the Shopify home dashboard. This is your main admin landing page, where you can access everything you need. From here, head down to the bottom left and open Settings. This takes you into the area where you control store-level preferences and connections. Inside Settings, find and open Apps. This is where Shopify manages your existing apps and any sales channels you've connected. On this page, select Shopify App Store. That button launches the app marketplace in a new tab so you can find the official integration you'll use for YouTube. In the App Store's search bar, type YouTube and press enter. You'll see a variety of results, but the one you're looking for is called Google and YouTube. This is the official solution that brings Google tools and YouTube shopping into your Shopify workflow so your products can appear alongside your videos and live streams. Open that listing to review details like features, screenshots, and the developer information to confirm you're installing the correct app. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will display the permissions the app needs to run properly. Take a moment to read through them so you know exactly what access you're granting. Then confirm to continue. Shopify will install the app and bring you back into your admin with the app opened. After installation, you'll be guided through an on-screen setup to connect your Google account and link your YouTube channel. Follow the prompts carefully and keep an eye out for any verification steps. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the Google sign-in window can appear. It's also a good idea to double-check your store's product data, titles, images, and availability, so the items you sync look great on YouTube. That's it. You started from the Shopify home dashboard, went into Settings, opened Apps, launched the Shopify App Store, searched for YouTube, chose the Google and YouTube app, and clicked Install. With the app in place, you're set to complete the guided setup and bring your products to your YouTube audience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.